What is happening, everybody? Josh here from Spawn Fly Fish, and we're back with another shop update in my YouTube voice. So we're gonna get things going here. We don't have a lot to show with you guys today. Things have been a little bit slow here in the shop, so we've really been honing in on cleaning up our new website and really focusing in on all the things that make us who we are for you guys. So the first thing we want to touch on is that we do listen. So the biggest complaint on our new website was the quantity tab. So instead of just buying one bucktail and editing the cart in the cart checkout process, we do have a quantity tab that has now been enabled. It was a little bit of a struggle for me, and it will get better. I am continuing to learn and continuing to improve every day on building out this website, but bear with me, and I am listening. So that has gotten better. While things are continuing to stay how they are, we're going to hone in on several of the other questions that we get frequently, and that is, can you put together some kits for the YouTube videos that you guys are obviously on here watching? We are going to do so, and we're going to do so with other partners in this fly tying world as well. So Nature's Spirit did us a solid here, as I like to say, and they are releasing these YouTube tutorials. And to help us out, we said we'd stock it so that all of you guys back home can tie these patterns and shop Spawn. So the Sea Run Bugger kit is live on our website. Tomorrow they're releasing another pattern that I have here. It'll all be kitted out on our website, ready for their launch. So again, things are a little slow here in the shop, so we don't have a lot of new things going on, but we are going to refine and improve to make sure that you have the best possible experience, which is what we are all about here at Spawn Fly Fish. Segueing into the best experience, as you can see in front of us, we don't have a fly rod, we got a little spinning rod. We want to give a massive shout out to the Klein Line Kids Fishing Organization. They helped us collaborate to get every single kid a free rod to take home that participates in this weekend's fishing derby here in Owaka, Washington. They're all pre-rigged. Show up to the derby, launch this baby out there, and catch some of those trophy trout that they're stocking. It's going to be a ton of fun. Pete and I will be there handing out rods to all the participating kids, and we cannot wait. In saying that, we will be opening our doors just a tiny bit late on Saturday, so if you're tuning into this and you're planning on coming and see us on Saturday, we will be open, but we will be handing these rods out as kids get ready to send it at the Kids Fishing Derby. So be in mind. The next thing we want to touch on is a few dates. Remember, the week of the 15th, May, will be our 2-year anniversary for the light switch going on here in our physical fly shop. So we're really excited about that. We're going to have a big in-store sale. Again, in-store sale. We really want to drive home the fact that we want you guys to come see what we've been building down here. We've been working day and night, and you guys have built this shop, so we want to show it off to you guys. And to incentivize that show off, there will be a lot of stuff on sale. So looking forward to that week. Should be a ton of fun. Again, 2-year anniversary. The last thing that we want to touch on before we segue into fishing is the fly tying night, April 28th, Friday, 6 p.m. There's still a couple slots left. Again, it is free. Again, that we ask that if you do sign up, you do show up because every single time we turn people down. So please, if you sign up, show up. It's going to be a ton of fun. Pete and I will be leading another awesome class. The last thing we have to talk about is fishing. It has been abysmal down here. I don't know if you guys follow the weather, and the swell, and everything correlated to the Pacific Northwest, but it's been pretty brutal. All of our rivers are very high. They're also closed. Pete and I walked one last weekend just to sniff around, see what we could see. It's going to be an awesome spring. So take this time, tie a bunch of flies, fish Puget Sound if you're in that area. It's been fishing phenomenally. My father fished it yesterday, and I think they caught 34 fish. So in just a few hours. Fishing all my honey holes, of course, but we'll cut them some slack on that. And that pretty much does it for us. The jetty, we're hoping, will calm down here. The lakes are going to be fishing great, given that they're going to be stocking them all for all of these upcoming derbies and trout season. So get out and fish, and if you don't get out and fish, tie some flies, and we will see you guys next week.